इंग्लिश में बोलूँगा मैं, ठीक है ना, इंग्लिश में समझना है, और हिंदी भी मैं यूज करूँगा, ठीक है, जो तुम्हारे लिए आसान रहेगा। नमस्ते, माई सेल्फ मास्टर आर्या। In this video, we gonna show you how to start yoga class in Vietnam. So, this is very important things for you understand what is the basic points of understanding how we start yoga class. Basically, we know whenever we represent yoga, yoga means peace, शांति के लिए। तो जब भी हम योगा क्लास स्टार्ट करते हैं, व्हेन वी आर स्टार्ट योगा क्लास, सो वी नीड टू बी प्रेयर लाइक ओम, ओम नमस्ते, शांति शांति, दैट थिंग्स। बट हाउ टू एक्चुअल थिंग्स, प्रॉपर तरीके से हम कैसे स्टार्ट करें। तो ये सुखासन की स्थिति है, आप देखें ऐसे बैठ सकते हैं, सिंपल। डोंट बी सिट लाइक दिस, नॉट बी यूज हेयर, दिस इज not a pose of yoga. You need to be understand first comfortable here. One leg okay, सुखासना यानी कि समाधि स्थिति, ये हो गया वन, फर्स्ट पोज हेयर। देन सेकेंड पोज इज लोटस पोज like this, but this is heavy pose, so you just try to be come back in sukhasana. And when we start class, we say everyone sit comfortably and sit in sukhasana position. This is basic things, but how is actual things is going in class? Proper way. Namaste everyone. Please sit in any comfortable posture, Sukhasana and Vajrasana and lotus pose in Padmasana. Hands on your knees like this. Try to be Jnana Mudra here. Namaste also okay, proper way. Try to be spine straight. Any position you can choose like this and this. Close your eyes. Fulfill, relax your body, relax your mind. Few normal breaths. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Omkar chanting 3 times. Inhale, again one more time. Inhale, last time. Inhale, rub your both palms. Slowly, palm place on your eyes. Forehead, face muscles. Join your both palms. Slowly, look at your palms. Namaste. So, this is proper way to sit and Omkara chanting. This we apply in all over class. It does not matter ball yoga, stick yoga, chair yoga, block yoga, hatha yoga, vinyasa, anything. But this is first way how we are make everyone, every student comfortable in our character. That is professional way. One thing. You understand about Sukhasana, you understand about palms on your knees, you understand about Dhyan Mudra, you understand about back straight, not be like this, full attention on your body. You understand, close your eyes, focus in your third eyes. After we finish 3 times Omkara chanting, we need to be rub palms like this. Try to be 20 to 30 times is better. Like try to be hot your palms, hot like this. Then when you feel hot, then palm place on your eyes and hold little bit, 2, 3, 4 seconds hold. Then no need to close eyes. Then again forehead. Then face muscles. Slowly join your palms and look at your palms. Namaste everyone. So this is proper way how we can start our class. If you understand and if you like, so you can share this video to more people. Namaste. We are meet with you our other topic.